Imagine ordering a new car and being told it will arrive in 2026, only to learn halfway through 2024 that half the factory equipment still does not exist. That is exactly what is happening with America's artificial intelligence data centers right now. Companies across the country are scrambling to build the massive computing facilities needed to train and run AI models, but construction timelines are slipping faster than politicians change their positions. The numbers are staggering. Research from industry analysts shows that roughly 50% of planned AI data centers will miss their 2026 launch targets. These are not small delays we are talking about. Some projects face setbacks of 18 to 24 months, pushing critical infrastructure into 2027 or beyond. The culprits behind these delays paint a picture of an industry moving faster than its supply chain can handle. Power grid connections top the list of problems. AI data centers require enormous amounts of electricity, often needing their own dedicated substations. Utility companies are backlogged with requests, and building new power infrastructure takes years, not months. Equipment shortages compound the problem. Specialized cooling systems, high-performance networking gear, and custom server configurations all face extended lead times. Manufacturers simply cannot keep pace with demand. Skilled labor represents another bottleneck. Data center construction requires electricians, HVAC technicians, and network specialists who understand these complex systems. The talent pool remains limited while demand explodes. These delays carry serious consequences for America's AI competitiveness. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft need massive computing resources to develop next-generation models. Without sufficient data center capacity, they may need to scale back research projects or delay product launches. Smaller AI startups face even bigger challenges. Limited data center availability drives up costs for cloud computing services, making it harder for new companies to compete with tech giants who own their infrastructure. The ripple effects extend beyond technology companies. Industries from healthcare to finance depend on AI services that require this computing infrastructure. Delays in data center construction translate directly into slower AI adoption across the economy. Meanwhile, countries like China continue building data centers at breakneck speed, potentially widening the global AI gap. If you want to understand how chip shortages are affecting data center construction next, it is already on the channel.